What's good, family? It's your brother Abdul, and today we're gonna make Haitian spaghetti and sausages. Sac passe, everybody. You already know what we're about to do. I'm just showing you guys what I did. I went to the supermarket and grabbed a few things to make this Haitian spaghetti and sausages. Alright, so for those that probably already know, your boy is a Zoe, 100% Haitian, and I had to make this video. Normally for this recipe, we use sausages, which is the long hot dog. We just chop it up and just throw it in the pot. But today I'm gonna use something a little bit better for you, which is packed with protein and nothing but nutrients. We're gonna use Pumfu to make our sausage today, guys. All right, so they already have the sausage Pumfu made out for you, or you can make your own sausage with some simple ingredients. So we're gonna saute our sausages in this pan, which would end up being hot dogs, but I'm gonna use this sausage instead. This is a go-to meal that most parents would make us little Haitians when we were kids. They would just come from work and say, you know what, we're gonna have this, and this is one of the meals that we would make. It was delicious back then. You know, as a child, I remember this clearly, and I just wanted to share a piece of my childhood with you guys, which is definitely the spaghetti and sausages, guys. I'm showing you a replica of what we would normally make and eat at home, you know, on a crazy afternoon. Mom came from work, she would throw this on the stove, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you guys each and every Sunday. Don't forget to share my videos, like, hit, and subscribe. And you already know, I'll see you guys next week. Peace.